Next point in the chapter fraction and decimals, we have division of decimal numbers. In that, first topic is division by 10, 100 and 1000. While dividing, in the rule is while dividing a number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or anything which is having 1 in front and remaining all digits are zeros, the digits of the number are same. Please note, the digit in the number are same, but the decimal point in the question, that is the decimal point in the answer, shifts to the left side. Please note, in case of multiplication it shifts to the right side, in case of division it shifts to the left side. Don't get confused. As many places as there are zeros over 1. Example, 3.15 divided by 10. So this is equal to 3.15 divided by 10. Now understand the rule. The digits remain same. So digit will remain same. 315, 315 digits will remain same. But the decimal point in the question, decimal point in the answer shifts to the left as many places as there are zeros over 1. So decimal point was here. Here it is 1 0, so it will shift one place to the left side. Hence, we will get 0.315. Next, 3.15 divided by 100. So this is equal to 3.15 divided by 100. Please note, there are two zeros, so it will shift two places to the left side. Now, here there is only one digit. If there is only one digit, we have to add 0. In this case, it will be 0.03. Please note, two places it has shifted to the left side. The reason is two zeros are there in the divisor. 3.15 divided by 1000, that is equal to 3.15 divided by 1000. Please note, three zeros are there, so decimal point will shift three places to the left side. So it will be 0.00315. Next is division of a decimal number by a whole number. Now understand this. 6.4 divided by decimal number. This is a decimal number divided by a whole number. We will take a whole number 3. So this is equal to, understand, this is equal to 64 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now we can do the 64 divided by 3. So this is equal to 64 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6. Remainder is 4. Next digit. 3 ones are 3. You will get remainder 1. Again, decimal point. 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. And it will go on. This is the recurring. Please understand. So you will get 3, 3, 3, 3. So answer is 21.3 upon 10. Now we have just studied that if 0 is there at the denominator, then the digit shifts to the left side. So this becomes 2.1333 and so on. Next, let us try these problems. 235.4 divided by 10. Here it is 10, so decimal point will shift one place to the left side. So answer is 23.54. Please note, decimal point have shifted one place to the left side. Here two zeros are there, so decimal point will shift two places. Answer will be 2.354. Here three zeros are there, it means decimal point will shift three places, so answer will be 0.2354. Next, let us do the division. 35.7 divided by 3. So if you will do 35.7 divided by 3. So see, please note, I am taking another method. If we are dividing 3 ones are 3, 0. The next digit you can take downside, 5. Again 3 ones are 3. Please note, now we are taking a point behind the decimal point, which is after the decimal point. So we have to give decimal point in the answer also. Answer is 3 9s are 27. So remainder is 0. So answer is 11.9. Please note. Again you can do another also. Watch carefully. 25.5 divided by 3. This is equal to 3 8s are 24. 1. Now we have to take a digit behind the decimal point. So we have to give decimal point in the question. Answer is 5. 3 5s are 15. It means answer is 8.5. Similarly, we can solve this. 5 8s are 40. Now we have to take decimal point behind the decimal. We have to take the number digits behind the decimal point. So give the decimal point. 5 6s are 30. 5 3s are 15. 6 1s are 6. 2 left. 22. 6 3s are 18. 18 4 left. Decimal point. 6 7s are 42. 2 left. 24. 6 4s are 24. Next is 5 3s are 15. Decimal point. 5 1s are 5. Next is 7 1s are 7. 12 and 7 is 5. 56 left. So 7 8s are 56. Now please note, we can take only one digit. So we have to give 0. 7 5s are 35. Understand this? You have to take only one digit downside while dividing. Do this division. If you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment box. Let us proceed to the next example. Example number 9. Find the average of 4.2, 3.8 and 7.6. To find the average, we have to do the addition of all three digits and divide by the number of digits. Number of numbers. So here it is 1, 2 and 3. So we'll have to divide by 3. So the average is the average of 4.2, 3.8 and 7.6 is 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6 upon 3. If you do the addition, you will get 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 7.6. You will get 15.6. You can verify this. Divided by 3. 15.6 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Don't forget to give the decimal point. Next point is division of decimal number by another decimal number. Take example 25.5 divided by 0.5. Please note here, the numerator is also decimal number, denominator is also decimal number. Now if you want to divide such numbers, then what we have to do? We have to shift the decimal point in numerator as well as denominator equal number of places. Equal number of places means if you are shifting decimal point one place to the right side, then in denominator also you have to shift one place to the right side. So this becomes, now do the division of 255 divided by 5. So answer is 5 5s are 25. You can take next digit. 5 1s are 5. So answer is 51. Next, 7.75 divided by 0.25. So here we can shift the decimal point 2 places to the right side. So this is equal to 775 divided by 25. Now 25 3s are 75. 75, please note, 2 is the remainder here. 2 and 5, 25 1s are 25. Next is, you have to shift denominator. We are having 2 decimal points, so we have to shift 2 decimal places. So this will be 4280 upon 2. This is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is. Then next, here it is 5.6 divided by 1.4. So answer will be 56 divided by 14. 14 4s are 56. So answer is 4. Example number 10. Each side of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means it can be a triangle, it can be a square. Understand? Regular means all sides are equal. It can be a pentagon also. Please note, it can be a pentagon, but all sides are equal. Since the word regular is used, regular means all sides are equal. Now each side of regular polygon is 2.5 cm. So each side is 2.5 cm in length. Perimeter of polygon is 12.5 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is given to us 12.5 centimeter. How many sides does the polygon have? So let us solve this. Now number of sides is not given. So we are not given that whether it is a triangle, whether it is a square, or whether it is a regular pentagon or regular hexagon. That is what we have to find. So how to find? So what is given to us? Perimeter of polygon is equal to sum of all sides, that is 12.5 centimeter. This is given to us. Next is length of each side, that is given to us as 2.5 centimeters. Let us find the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to number of sides is equal to perimeter upon length of each side. So this is equal to 12.5 divided by 2.5. How to do the division? That we have already studied. Shift the decimal point one place to the right side. So this will be 125 upon 25. Now we know that 25 5s are 125. So number of sides are 5. Hence it is therefore polygon is a regular pentagon. The polygon is regular pentagon. It has 5 sides. Next, example number 11. A car covers a distance 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. What is the average distance covered by it in 1 hour? So total distance covered is given to us as 89.1 kilometer. Total time is also given to us as 2.2 hours. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to total distance upon total time. So that is equal to 89.1 upon 2.2. We know how to do the division. Shift the decimal point one place to the right hand side. So it will be 8891 upon 22. Now you can either divide by 11 first or divide by 22 directly. You will get 22 4s are 88. What is the remainder? 11. So 11 we can't do. We have to add 0 to this. So if you add 0, we will get 110 and it will be 5. So 4.5. Distance covered in 1 hour will be 4.5 kilometers. I will explain you how to do this division. 891 upon 22. 22 4s are 88. Remainder is 1. You can take next number. Now we cannot do the division, so we have to give the decimal point to this. 22 5s are 110. Please understand this. I have made a mistake here. 22 4s are 88. Remainder is 1. You can take next digit downside. Now it cannot be divided, so we have to take 0 to this. 22 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1 1. Now give the decimal point. So we can add the 0. 22 5s are 110. So answer is 40.5 kilometers. Please correct this. Answer is 40.5 kilometers.